student. So in last period, means in coordinate geometry, last period, we discussed about the number line, horizontal axis, vertical axis. This horizontal axis is called as the x-axis. This is of your x-axis, and this vertical axis is known as the y-axis. This vertical line is known as y-axis. Okay. On the when they are intersect each other at right angle, this is called as the origin. इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? Origin. Means when two axes are intersect each other at the point, that point is called as the origin, and its coordinate is 0, 0. Its coordinate is 0, 0. Got it? Now on the right side of this 0, there are equal distance. In equal distance, there are some points, that is 1, 2, like this, in this way. Here -1, here -2, and here -3, in this way. That is here positive 1, 2, 3, like this, and this is of your negative -1, -2, -3, in this way. Okay. Now the plane is divided into 4 parts. Each part is known as the quadrant. क्या बोला था हमने? Quadrant. 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 इसको हमने क्या बोला? Quadrant. This is of your first quadrant. This is of your second quadrant. This is of your third quadrant, and this is of your fourth quadrant. Okay. Now in first quadrant, both the sign are positive. दोनों के दोनों साइन क्या थे? Positive. In second quadrant, the x coordinate is negative and the y coordinate is what? Positive. Okay. For example, में ले सकते हैं हम लोग 2, 3. Here -2, 3. Got it? Now in the third quadrant, both are negative. That is negative, negative. That is -2 and -3. In this way. Got it? Now in the fourth quadrant, what we get here? In fourth quadrant, here x is positive and y is what? Negative. X is positive और y कैसा रहेगा? Negative रहेगा. Means यहाँ पे रहेगा 2, -3. Okay. So in this way, we can find where the point lies, either in first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, or fourth quadrant. That we can identify by using this form. Okay. Now, if the point lies on the x-axis here, what is the coordinate of this point? So its x coordinate is -2. Okay. And its y coordinate is what? 0. It means that if the point lies on x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. It means that if the point, that is -2, 0, this point lies on x-axis. For more detail, what we write here? For positive, negative x-axis. इसको हम ऐसा भी बोल सकते हैं कि ये पॉइंट कहां पे है? नेगेटिव x-axis. मींस इस साइड. यदि यहां पे y का कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है तो x एक्सिस पे रहेगा, और x का कोऑर्डिनेट 0 है, फॉर एग्जांपल 2, 0, -2, लाइक दिस. अब 0, -2 मींस 0 मींस दिस वन, x एक्सिस का 0 ही हो गया. -2 मींस नीचे जाना पड़ेगा. सो दिस इज ऑफ योर पॉइंट 0, -2. So naturally this point lies on the y axis. Therefore it is of negative y axis. Negative y axis. So in this way we can find where the point lies, either in the first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. x axis, तो उसमें पॉजिटिव x axis है कि नेगेटिव x axis है, वो भी देख सकते हैं हम लोग. If it is 2, 0, that is positive x axis. -2, 0, negative x axis. 0, +2, it is positive y axis, and 0, -2, it is negative y axis. Understood? अब ये हो गया आपका. And whenever this point, this line, this axis are intersect each other at this point is called as the origin. Therefore origin, the coordinates of this point is 0, 0. Okay. Now one more thing is here, x coordinate. So here we consider 2, 3. If we consider 2, 3. So here this is of your x coordinate and this is of your y coordinate. So x coordinate is also known as abscissa. एब्सिसा, इसको क्या कहते हैं? एब्सिसा। और जो y कोऑर्डिनेट होता है उसको कहेंगे हम लोग ऑर्डिनेट। ऑर्डिनेट क्या कहेंगे? ऑर्डिनेट। सो फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट विच इज एब्सिसा? 2. सो द एब्सिसा इज 2 एंड द ऑर्डिनेट इज व्हाट? 3. तो यहां पे ऑर्डिनेट क्या बन गया? 3. So this is of your abscissa and this is of your ordinate. Abscissa means x coordinate and ordinate means y coordinate. इतना ध्यान में आ गया? Now we can find the line at this equation. Now see here, if I consider any point on this line, if I consider any point on the line which is parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis. How? See, if this is of your x-axis, this is of your y-axis, got it? This is of your y-axis, this is x-axis. Both they intersect each other here. Now here 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 like this. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is of your 0 coordinate. Got it? Now every point on this number line, x-axis के ऊपर कोई भी point लीजिए, उसका y coordinate 0 आएगा. Therefore, the equation of x-axis is y is equals to 0. Why? Because every point on the x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. Therefore, the equation of x-axis is y is equals to 0 and equation of y-axis is x is equals to 0. Why? Because on y-axis, if I consider any point, if the point is here, its x coordinate is 0. If the point is here, its x coordinate is again 0. It's here the point is present, so its x coordinate is what? 0. Therefore, every point on this number line, that is y-axis, its x coordinate is 0. Therefore, equation of y-axis is x is equals to 0 and equation of x-axis is y is equals to 0. Got it, everyone? Now, if I draw the line like this is of your line. Okay? Now, this line is parallel to y-axis. किसको पैरेलल है? ये y को पैरेलल है. अब इसको y को पैरेलल है तो कहीं पे भी पॉइंट ले लीजिए आप, इसमें y के कोऑर्डिनेट चेंज होंगे मगर x के कोऑर्डिनेट चेंज होंगे क्या? नहीं. आपने y का इक्वेशन क्या बोला? x is equals to 0 because y axis intersect x axis at 0. Here this line is parallel to y axis and intersect x axis at 2. Therefore its equation is x is equals to 2. Got it? ध्यान में आ गया इतना? अब हम लोग दूसरा एक लाइन बनाते हैं इस तरह से. Now this is parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis है तो x axis का इक्वेशन क्या है? y is equals to 0. अब इसका इक्वेशन y is equals to 0 है तो y को कहाँ इंटरसेक्ट किया? -2 में. So this is equation is y is equals to what? -2. Understood? So in this way, in the chapter only Cartesian coordinate is there. How to plot the points? How to numbering the points? If the point is like this, here the point is there, means what is the coordinate of this point? First you draw the perpendicular on x-axis, it intersect 2, therefore 2 is the x coordinate. Here perpendicular on y-axis, so here 1 is the y coordinate, therefore the point is 2, 1. Understood? So in this way you can finish this lesson. Got it? Okay? Yes.